what's up everyone, how's it going? This is a small extract from my last video on JavaScript array methods. I'm going to link that video down below. Make sure you check it out if you're interested in finding out more about how to manipulate arrays. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you know whenever I release new content on this channel. To all my subscribers, thank you so much. I hope you enjoy this video.
We're going to look at some filtering methods. So we'll start with filter. So let's say we just want to get the cat object from the animals array. So we can do const cat equals animals dot filter. And the convention here, just for simplicity, when we're using arrow methods, it's just a x, and we're going to say x dot type equals cat. And when we output cat, there we go, we are returned with an array that contains all the objects that matched that filter. So just to make it a little bit more complicated, let's say we want all animals that has a sound with a W in it, which will return both of them. So we can do filter down to x.sound.index of W does not equal -1. And there we go, we've got both objects. The every method checks to make sure that every element within an array passes a test in a testing function. So for example, let's check to see if every animal object is a cat. So const are all cats equals animals.every. And again, we'll use the arrow function to say x.type equals cat. And when we output that, we see it's false. And that's because we've got one dog within our animals array. If we were to change that dog to a cat, you can see that our check passes. The isArray method is a helper method that helps us check whether a value being passed is an array or not. So for example, if we do console log array.isArray names, we're going to get true because names is an array. If we check animals, again, we're going to get true because animals is an array, but the string animals is an array, and so we get false. The sum method checks to make sure that at least one element within an array passes a test. So it's kind of like every, except every checks to make sure that every element passes a test, whereas sum is happy if even just one passes a test. So again, so if we do const the cats, and we do animals.sum, and we check type to make sure that one is a cat, we're going to see that, yep, it's found at least one cat. Now let's see if there are any cows. We can see that. Are there any cows? No, there are not, because none of these objects have a type cow.